If you grew up in Aba, then you definitely heard about this building. Today, we are talking about the legendary Enyimba Hotel, now known as Raddison Hotel, the one that stood there for 52 good years. Now, whether you're into politics or not, one thing is clear, something changed. Where others saw an abandoned or discarded structure, the present administration of Governor Alex Otti saw opportunity. As I'm talking to you right now, the narrative is changing. I mean, 52 years is not beans. That's 2 generations. Some were born, grew up, finished university, and this building was still waiting. If you're happy with this transformation, kindly smash that like button. Reviving Enyimba Hotel is symbolic. It says abandoned projects can be resurrected, and most importantly, progress is possible.
It's like a dream, what we are seeing in Abia State. If I say we didn't expect it so, I may be lying to myself. From the first day you came out, I know there's going to be a change in Abia State. The character deposit we have seen in you is not disappointing. We are all reaping the benefit of it.